Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a really weird angle, but I am packing my travel makeup bag. So I got this on Amazon for Christmas, actually a few years ago. Actually, I think it's been like 8 years. I think I've had this for 8 years. And it comes with some separators. So I'm going to separate it the way I always do. These things, like, they wear out. I'm going to try 3. But right now, I'm just going to do my makeup. And I'm going to show you what I'm taking and in the way that you do makeup. I'm taking 3 primers. I have the Rare Beauty. This is the Pore one. I have the NYX Plump Right Back, and then the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I love these primers. They are so nice on my skin. They're probably not all going to go in the same area. Concealer, I'm going to take this Rare Beauty one. I need to buy another one of these NYX Bare With Me concealer serums. Like, mine is gone. When I pump this out, it's just like bubbles and then like this weird oil mixture. But I'm going to pack both of them. I want to see how it will fit. I'm also taking these e.l.f. color correctors. So I have the peach and the green one. Peach for my dark circles and then green for the redness. I will most likely get sunburnt. And then I'm going to take my Beauty of Joseon Daily Tinted Fluid Sunscreen. So I have shade LN110 and then LP100. And if it's going to be, you know, sunny, I'm probably going to get sunburnt. And you can tell that this one is a little warmer. So I'm going to take both. Oh, see, that moved it. I'm taking 2 different skin bronzing things. I have the e.l.f. bronzing drops and then the Loreal Lumi Glotion in shade 902. This, I would only add a little bit to my moisturizer, but this I would put right on my skin after primer. I haven't really put just the bronzing drops. I don't really know how that would look. I'm taking only 2 liquid blushes. I'm taking the Profusion one in shade Rosé and then the L'Oreal Lumi in shade Dewy Bright Pink. I love these shades. These are like my favorite ones out of the lines. I'm gonna just put it in with my concealer. Will this stand up? No. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there with my concealer. I'm only taking 2 contour shades. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty in shade Amber and then the Baby Got Bronze by Essence. And I'm gonna buy another one of these. This was like $5 and I have been loving it. For brows, I'm taking the Unleashia Brow Pencil in shade Craft Brown and then the L'Oreal Brow Lamination. I've been using this every single day. I absolutely love it. I'm going to put them up here. Oh, maybe not the L'Oreal, not this, because I'm going to lose it up there. And then I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl Bronze Glow Eyeshadow Stick. I love this. I feel like in the summertime it's going to look so pretty. And then I'm taking 2 different mascaras. I have the Maybelline Sky High in shade Brown. And then I have the Armani one. I think this is their Vertigo mascara. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. For lip products, I'm taking 2 Burts Bees chapsticks. I love chapstick. I need chapstick. I just need it. And then I have some lip oils here. I have the Wet n Wild in shade Pink. Nope. Shade Rose Quartz. I have the Fenty Beauty Lip Oil in Cherry Treat, and then the Milani Fruit Fetish in Raspberry Peach. I'm also going to take my Juno Co Lip Milk. This nourishes and it softens your lips. I get sunburn on my lips sometimes, and this will seriously like help calm and like soothe my lips. My lips will be on fire. Like when I use plumping products, I go in afterwards with this and it is just such an amazing product. For setting the face, I'm taking both of these powders. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Clarifying Finishing Powder and then the Huda Beauty in shade Sugar Cookie. I need to get another one. For powder bronzer, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty in Shady Biz. Powder blush, I'm taking the Haus Labs in Hibiscus Haze. Love this. I'm also going to take the Physicians Formula Strawberry Jam one because it's so pretty. I was going to take these 2 powders, but I'm kind of running out of room, so I'm just going to stick to the powders that I have. But I was going to take the e.l.f. Halo Glow and then the e.l.f. Halo, the press powder one, but they're not going to fit, and I'd rather take those. Another lip balm I want to take is this Friends Black Coffee flavored. And then I'm taking these 2 palettes. It's just the Tartelette Amazonian Clay one and then the Too Faced Naturals. I don't know if they still make them, but I'm going to take them. I've had them for a while, and I know that I love them. So far, this is all I have in here. This is kind of what I'm planning on taking. Vacation isn't for a couple months, but I have up here my mascaras and my brow and eyeshadow stick. In here, I have the palette. Well, this is generally what I'm going to take, and we'll see if I even use some of this. Some of this I probably won't even touch, but I like to make sure I am prepared for my vacation. So this is all makeup. Let's get to the skincare. Let's see if this will even zip. I think that palette is too thick. It is. That palette is just way too thick, so I'm not going to be able to take that Too Faced one. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is better. So unfortunately, this girl cannot go with me. For skincare, I have this insulated bag, and I thought I could put my skincare in here, and then it would stay nice and cool, and yeah, I don't know. That's just my thoughts. I want to get another bottle that I can like put some of this in. I don't want to take this whole thing, but I am planning on taking this Thayer's facial toner. Same with this VT Cosmetics Secret shot. I want to get another container because I don't want this to pump out. Yeah, and I don't want to take this whole thing. It's just really bulky, and I kind of want to keep it slim. But this is the PDRN 100 Essence by VT. You go in with this after you use your Riedel shot. It makes your skin just feel so dewy and like amazing. So I am taking this. I have a couple of different sunscreens that I want to take. I want to take this Sunstick. I don't know how to say this brand, but I will have it linked down below so you guys can check it out. It says Area Protection Sunstick. It doesn't leave a residue at all. Like, no residue. I love it. Then I want to take the Axis Y Physical Sunscreen. This also does not leave a white residue. And the Anua one, I could go in with just this and no moisturizer and be perfectly fine. And I even used it like kind of as a primer. So I'm going to take all three of these. I want to take my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This helps when I am sunburnt or like really warm. This will help soothe my skin and help with the redness. For me, it doesn't do anything with acne. I don't think it claims to. People have asked me like this compared to the Tower 28 spray. And Tower 28 spray is definitely better, especially if you are looking for something for acne. But this I'm going to be taking. These are the same products. This is the Bubble Water Slide Hydration Boosting Serum. I want to take both of them and try them out. They're minis, so I thought, hey, why not try them? Taking my Clinique Moisture Surge. I love this stuff in the summertime. My skin just drinks it right up. I have these two products from Arencia. I've never used them. I don't know if you use them together. But this is like a serum and then another serum. But this one is in a jar. It looks like a gel moisturizer. So I'm going to look it up because I'm like, oh, maybe I'll take these too. Taking a couple eye patches because road trip. I'm going to be sleepy and look tired, so I'm going to take these. I'm going to take this Body Balm Jelly Stick. It's like a Vaseline stick. You never know. You never know. And then I'm taking this Post Blemish Corrector with Ceramide from Hanhu, as well as a couple pimple patches. This Axis Y Vegan Collagen Eye Serum. I love this in the summertime. It is so nice. Like, look at that. And it's so soothing. It has that like roller ball, so it's going to like cool down your under eyes and like help depuff. So here is the inside of the bag. I just haven't added those other two products. I can add them before I, whoa, see, yeah, I don't want to. So I want to get something that I can put these in, but here is the bag. And then this is how full it is. It's only full up to there. The insulation stops right there too. I just think that would be so much better for my skincare and just have it all together. It's padded. Love it. I only have these two things for right now. I need to check on these products, figure out if I want to take them. I don't have my perfume or anything packed. I'm not really sure how I want to pack my toiletries. Like, this is just makeup and skincare, okay? I go crazy. I probably take way too much, more than I should. So please don't come at me. I'm just a girl, okay? But anyway, this is everything for right now. I will do my makeup brushes and my toiletries in another video because I have to purchase them. Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. Look at this disaster. Think we're ready for a clean with me? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Bye!